So biologically, this medicine will go in and work with the cells to help them communicate. If a disease is something where the cells decide to do something else, whether it's a diseased liver or a cyst, it'll wall itself off, and the cells don't communicate with the cells next to it. And so what Kambo does, it has peptides in it, and peptides are the building blocks of cells. So it's like if you have a plant that's been in a pot forever and all the nutrients have been pulled out of the pot by the plant growing, and eventually you got to add more fertilizer or nutrients to the pot. The Kambo does the same thing to our body and to our immune system. So we access the lymphatic system through little gates, they're called ports. We burn the top layer of skin off, and then we add the secretion to that. The lymphatic fluids pull the secretions through the body, which have about 90 or so studied peptides in it. One peptide synergizes with the next to get the body to do different things. Like one of them will help cross the blood-brain barrier, which will allow the other peptides to get into the blood-brain barrier. And it delivers these peptides all over the body. And the peptides or receptors are they're ready. We produce these naturally. Up until about 25, 30, we start to decrease the peptide production in our body. So they found this medicine in the jungle to treat a bacterial disease that was happening in a tribe. It was actually found by a medicine man of one tribe going to another medicine man and asking, hey, I need to go into ayahuasca and find out how to treat my tribe. They're dying. So he took a dose of ayahuasca, and ayahuasca taught him to go find these frogs, to scrape the sweat off their back, to administer to his people. And these people became stronger than the rest of the tribe. So they were like warriors. They were better at hunting. They were better at their crafts. And then word started spreading around the jungle, and other tribes started to use it. And so now it's spread around the jungle as a warrior medicine. 1907, American got a Kambo stick and brought it into the science labs and started studying it, found out it's peptides. They have no idea what it is in the jungle. They just know that it works, and it's more spiritually connected to the elements in the nature. So they've been studying this for over 100 years underneath the science microscope, and cannot create peptides to synergize with each other. It can only happen naturally through the peptides that are on this frog. It may be other places, but particularly on this frog. And so I was like, it can treat a virus. Let me see if there is a virus lying dormant in me. And so I started working with Kambo to help people, to help myself, and then ended up being able to help other people in ways of, if we are peptide deficient, we have more anxiety, we have more fog, we can't focus. Biologically, our system's not working correctly. So I started to treat my clients that are interested in hearing me say some stuff like this with the Kambo, and I'm finding really great results with muscle release and with a lot of somatic stuff that's happening in the body. It resets, flows open all the chakras, and helps the body to communicate in a different fashion. So it's on my website if you guys are interested in finding out more information.
Can you tell them what it feels like?